What's up, guys? We're out here at Lake Mead on the one wheels. We're gonna jump on the bike path. We're gonna see if there's still this abandoned motel that we got to catch up and see last time. So stay tuned and let's do this. So it's a pretty nice bike trail. It's nice and smooth. Not a bunch of cracks or holes. It better be. It costs $25 if you don't have a season pass. So better off just buying the $80 season pass. It's also good for Red Rock Canyon. So I'm losing my group. The old abandoned hotel is. I don't know if we're gonna have a way to get over in there. You can see it off in the distance. No trespassing. I got my whole family with me, so we'll pass on that today. It doesn't look very good. They got a big no trespassing thing right at the front. How you feeling on it, babe?
Okay. My back half muscle is freaking burning.
You want to take a break?
No.
Which way you guys want to go? Take the bike trail?
Yeah.
Okay. Why? Because it's bumpy? Ooh, that's so bumpy. It's pretty quiet out here today at the lake. You got a few people out. Probably looks like a dozen boats. If you're counting cars and trailers, but the weather's pretty nice. It's about 59. It's January 5th, and I just noticed we got a ranger over here keeping his eye on us in the distance, if you guys can see him over there by that old motel that we passed. But they definitely got this thing on lockdown. She is gonna be so scared. You watch, when she pulls up, she's gonna be like, I don't like this. This scares me.
This is really scaring me.
With the sides drop?
Like the rocks.
Yeah. Hey, did you notice we got a ranger watching us over there?
Watching my car?
No, he's over by the old hotel. You see him?
Yeah.
All right, we're working our way to the end of this little fire lane or road. There's Las Vegas Harbor down there. And then you have Boulder Beach. Woo, got a little nervous there for a minute. Over here in the distance, you got Hoover Dam. It's a little sketchy up here, I will say. Having drops on both sides. I don't know if you guys can really tell. All right, the white truck's kind of creeping over here, so we're gonna hurry up and try to make it to the end of this road. It did not, so if anything, we'll just get a warning not to do it again, but let's check this out, get all the way to the end. Oh always wanted to come over here, but I never wanted to walk. So. But anyway, check out this old launch ramp. You can even see the old rope that hold the buoy at the end. So the water used to come, look, you can see the ring mark.
Dang.
It's crazy.
It's crazy.
So yeah, he's going the other way now, but.
I'm sure he's still watching me.
Yeah, there's tight security out here. You guys want to go walk over the other side of this and look down? Click. Whoa. You be careful. Doesn't have power anymore. But nice little view of the lake. What? Gosh, don't even joke like that.
I said, what if there's a snake? And you're like, what?
Because I hate snakes.
That was great.
Almost. It was 3 straws that pulled it up. Oh yeah, they do.
I don't know who the a-holes were that threw like the rocks on it though.
I probably just fell.
Hey, there's a guy down there fishing. Right down there. You see him down there? Yep. Here, keep it pointed that way and you don't mind.
Sticker right here, right?
No.
It used to be, but somebody.
Yeah, somebody took it off. Yeah. So this used to pump all the water probably.
No, that's a U.S. lock.
Where? Cool.
I don't know what MPS means.
Something park service?
National
Mead?
Park Surface?
Yeah.
U.S. National Park.
All right, let's get down from here.
Wow. Kind of cool though.
Yeah. There you go.
So it says the water level is 1,091 feet, 0.06.
Is it up or down?
It's up 0.14 feet since yesterday.
So that's like almost a quarter inch.
Yeah. Well, it's going up because all that rain and
All the snow coming down, yeah. That's how it is every spring though. Remember we watched that special?
Yeah. Sorry. My foot is weird. Okay. Alright.
You're doing good. Here we are at the Lakeshore Road walking trail. Doesn't look like many people use it. Nice little 27-pound weight.
Right? Hey everyone, thanks for watching us on our trip to Lake Mead. Peace out, Vegas. We love you. See you on the next one.
Treat me this way.